Nitrogen room for methanol-fueled ships. When designing a methanol-fueled ship, safety systems play a central role in ensuring safe operations and regulatory compliance. Unlike conventional fuels, methanol requires additional measures to manage flammable vapors and reduce risks. One of these key systems is the nitrogen system and its associated nitrogen room. But what is it? What is it used for? And what are the key design requirements? The nitrogen room is a technical space responsible for producing the required nitrogen flow rate. In other words, it is where nitrogen for inerting systems is generated. Nitrogen is an asphyxiating gas, and therefore the nitrogen room is classified as a hazardous area. For this reason, it must be properly isolated from surrounding safe areas, typically by airlock. The nitrogen room houses several skids and electrical systems required to produce the inert gas. Typical elements inside this space are compressors to supply air to the nitrogen plant, membranes to separate O2 from air, pressure vessels to store nitrogen, sensors to continuously monitor nitrogen quality. Nitrogen room design must consider skid volume, airlocks, and full system integration. Incorrect design, such as missing airlocks, undersized nitrogen plants, or missing oxygen vent system, can lead to costly rework during the assembly phase. At Flowazur Consulting, we develop feasibility studies for alternative fuels, designing each new technical space required on board, reducing project risk, and simplifying the engineering process. Flowazur Consulting, where complex systems are made to work @C. Reach us @flowazur.com.